Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome on Systems Automation Faisal Aziz. Today, I will show you how to use your own class to sort your own class in the list with lambda expression. In last video, I have showed you how to use a tree map. So now it's time to use your own class. For example, you have a class that manages student, for example. So you have an ID of the student, the number of the student, and also the name of the student. Okay? And you have a lot of students that you will put in the list, the array list, and you will have the choice to make an order. You don't want you can't make a so simple not your order here because it is not primitive type. So you will use customizing order. So with simple way, with our previous version way, we use cross comparator, but now we use another expression. Okay, finish. The comparator is gone. It's in another house now. Okay, another country, another world, another planet. Forgot. Okay, so how to use this? So the first thing, we create your class. Okay, class student. It contains two attributes. First one, int ID or number of students as you want, call it what you want, and string for the name. For this, we will create constructor for this class. Okay, so student parentheses int ID, comma, string name. And you put this dot ID equal ID and this dot name equal name. And now, when you create class, it's recommended to override toString method. Okay? To write what you want, to display what you want about your class. So, I will override toString method. I just make public string toString method, and I make a return, for example, ID plus name. Just for example, to both name, okay? And I will show you with how to what we got result with toString method and without toString method, okay? After this, I will now come directly to the PC, to the computer, to show you what we got before to continue. Okay, before to make sorting order, or I continue. Tell me after this in the comment. Tell me. I will continue, and because it's very simple to, I don't make a break for to show you the result with toString and .string. Just go directly now to make the sorting order. So to sort our list of objects, I must create, of course, an array list. Okay, in array list, I will put my student. So list of type student, list equal new array list type student. I will make list.added new student, for example, the ID 5, Faisal. Let's continue, list.added ID 3, Faisal, etc. Okay? And for sorting, you have the choice with which attribute you want to sort. You want to sort with ID or with name. Okay, you can be, of course, you can have another attribute, but it's just some example. But here you have the choice. You don't have only one attribute. So you must choose which one. For me, I will choose with ID. Okay, I will choose with ID. So how to sort my list with ID? Here, not by descending, by ascending. The number will be ascending. Okay? So, use collection.sort, in parentheses, I give him the list. And here I will create my lambda expression. What I have. In the lambda expression, I have two parameters, okay, with type student, but it is the same type, so I remove them. Okay, so I have S1 and S2, simple arrow, and now we compare by ID. So, in parentheses, S1 dot ID is less than S2 dot ID. What it means? It means the value of S1 will be before S2, okay? Because it's less, I will order by ascending. So here the result will be the point equation minus 1, okay? I continue, 2 point. S1.id is bigger than S2.id, so 2 point plus 1. Interrogation plus 1. 2 point else 0, it means it equals. Okay? After this, I will display with system.out.println my list, how it will be displayed. So let's see this execution in the computer, and I will come back to finish this topic, inshallah. Okay, let's go. So now let's see the result, how to use lambda expression with your own class. I have created class student with ID and name, and I create toString method. And in the main method, I have created a new object for student, and I will display it. So what I got? Let's see. Here I have good string 5 Faisal 2.5 Faisal. Now when I remove toString method, what I got? Look. Do you see? So I recommend you to use always override the string method for your own class. So let's see now how to use a lambda expression to sort your list collection for your own class. So here I have prepare a list of elements, and here I will display the list without sorting. Okay, so what I got here, let's see. Oops, I think I forgot to check. Yes, I forgot to make toString. Okay, let's see what we got again. Good, I have toString method, so my list is very well. Okay, with the order of asserting element. Now I will use the lambda expression as I have showed you. I have given him to by the student 1, student 2, and I will order by ID, sort by ID, and I will make by ascending order. Okay, so if the ID of S1 is less than S2, so it becomes before, it means I will return -1. Okay, and if it is after, it returns +1 or positive value, else it means it are equals, so it returns 0. So I will display this one with sorting order with our lambda expression. What we got? Do you see? Abdeslam is the first, Amir, Karim, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very easy. Okay? So I have showed you how to use lambda expression in collection, different collection, in this different example. I hope that you are now you are feeling comfortable with lambda expression with collection. Of course, you need to understand collection before to make it. It's very important. It's a requirement. Understand how to use list, map, and set, different implementation. They have talked before. Inshallah, in next video, I will jump to the new topic. Okay, and before to do it, until I create new video, inshallah, I will also recommend you to practice directly. Okay, for each topic that I will show you. Practice. When you finish, when you see it's very comfortable for you, share it with your friends or with another person. Okay, Don't let the information for you. Thank you a lot of brothers and sisters to follow this course at this moment. We have closed 2 chapters and we start new one, inshallah. I hope that you are now more comfortable with Lambda expression, and we continue again to be very well more comfortable. Okay, and you are in the cloud as you are sleeping in the cloud with Lambda expression. Okay, so see you in the next video, inshallah. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.